It's now time for Reshma's Beauty Tip of the Week. But before I get started, if you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon so you can get regular notifications. Summer is definitely here and it is hot. So while we enjoy the sunshine and the outdoors, make sure you take care of your hair as well, because this heat isn't good for our hair. It makes it dry and brittle. And while we love going into the pool, the chlorine isn't the greatest for your hair either. So make sure you have a protective barrier, and we protect our health of our hair so you have those luscious locks. So to keep your hair healthy this summer, here are some tips and suggestions with Reshma Beauty Products. Excessive exposure to the sun can damage your hair and cause dryness, as you know, and breakage. So before heading out, apply some Reshma Beauty hair oil or hair serum, which contains natural ingredients that provide a protective barrier. Additionally, you can wear a hat or a scarf to shield your hair from even more heat. And deep conditioning is extremely important because the summer heat can dehydrate your hair, so it's so important for us to give it extra moisture. So I use the Reshma Beauty Deep Hair Conditioning Mask at least once a week to deeply condition my hair. And I know it gets really hot, but try not to overwash your hair, because excessive washing actually can strip your hair of its natural oils that leads to dryness and frizz. So when you do wash your hair, however, make sure that your shampoo and conditioner is sulfate-free, paraben-free, and silicone-free. I recommend our Reshma Beauty shampoo and conditioner as it's pure and natural and great for your hair health. And now here's a swimming hack for those who love to swim like myself, but I hate what the chlorine does to my hair. So if you are a swimmer, to protect your hair from the harshness of chlorine, use Reshma Beauty henna oil before going into the pool so you have a protective barrier on your hair. Then you can proceed and wash with Reshma Beauty henna shampoo and conditioner after your swim. And try to limit exposure to those blow dryers and heating tools, as they're no good for our hair. So try and once in a while let your hair air dry naturally. And believe it or not, your hair's health is influenced by your overall well-being. So make sure you're eating a balanced diet, you're sleeping well, you're getting plenty of rest, also you're exercising as well. Additionally, drink plenty of water to keep your hair and scalp hydrated. And get ready to turn heads this summer. And if you enjoyed this video, please do comment right here and tell us your suggestions as well. And do subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.